Guys, I'm actually going to be doing a video recording of this second classwork, and reason because I wanted to understand it fully well, so you would not run into any problem. So the first thing I want to do is I'll create my new, and notice that my width and height are 3000 by 3000, and my pixel is 300. So I want you to correct this if you have any thing that's different from this. So the next thing I want to do is click on OK, and now I want to insert my image. So I'm going to click on this, the plus sign, and then I'm going to click on image. So to insert my image, so I'm bringing it in now, gallery, and I have this, and then I'm going to click on apply. The next thing I do is click on apply to bring the image in. So I apply. Now notice that there are 4 nodes on the image. It appears once you insert it, 4 nodes will appear: 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now these are the nodes that you use in dragging the image to expand it. Now just watch what I do. I move it from this side, keep moving it, and if I have now that it is on every part of the image and the canvas, I can decide to use my hands to pinch in, so I'm zooming in so I can have more free space. So I move the node again, and then my image properly sits. Now remember what I said in our tutorial videos between part 1 and 4, that whenever you want to fit to screen, all you need to do is click on this. So what I'll do next is put fit to screen. Now I have this. Now the next thing I want to do is create my shape. So my shape is going to, I'm just going to click on this plus sign and click on this to insert my shape. Now my shape is going to have a black fill, so my fill color will be black top and black bottom. So I have this. Make sure you also resize this. So I want to resize this properly and make it in the middle. Make sure that it's in the middle. Now the next thing I want to do is add my text. I click on the plus sign, I click on text, so I insert my text, and because I already have them, I'm going to make this fast. I'm going to click impossible is nothing. The difference is that you are determined. Now I want to correct this very quickly, that after typing impossible is nothing, let there be a space. So you have impossible is nothing, the difference is enter, that you are enter determined, and now click on apply. Now your text, you would notice that it is bigger than the shape field that you have created. Just resize it and make sure it is in the middle. Now I can decide to also reduce my shape fill on all sides by moving the nodes, and exactly this is how I want it to look like. So this is just the second assignment, and I want you to do this. Lay hands on this, and let me get your feedback.